So today I am going to do unboxing of this Google Home. We got this from I think a local store in Norway, in Oslo, and we got this for 500 kron. So I don't know what to expect. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube how it works and what all features it has. So let me just go ahead and do the unboxing for you. The Google Home that we got is coral color. It's a pretty color. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to unbox this. So we've removed the cellophane paper which was there because I was too impatient. Okay, so you open it from here, and so in this box they've not written what is there inside this, but let me just open it. So just open it from here. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. See how pretty the color is. This is coral color. Oh wow, this is so pretty. So this is what you get, right? See. At the back also it is coral color. This is the mic, okay, if you can see. And this is, I think, the charging port. Nothing else. And when you open the box, this is quick starter. So you get these, I don't know. Let's get started. It says how to get started. So you just plug it in, connect the power adapter to your Google Mini Home, download Google Home app from Google Play Store, and then follow the on-screen steps to finish. The second one says, get to know your Google Home Mini. So it just gives you some commands that you can use, like for example, living room, play some jazz, pause the TV, dim the lights. For kitchen, you can use what is 110 grams in ounces, so you can use conversions. You can put timer, like set a banana bread timer for an hour. Bedroom, you can say, is it going to rain today? And so many other commands. Next is safety and warranty. I don't need to read this. And then you get this charging cable, the charger. Oh. Sorry. So you get this charger, and this is the normal charger which we can use, which you use in Europe or any other country. No, only Europe. Okay. Nothing else. So this is my Google Home Mini. So let me use it for a day or so, and then probably I'll get back to you with the review and some good interesting commands to use. Bye!